Hello dear students, welcome to e-classes of Organization of Commerce Standard 12th. In previous class we studied about nature of management and today we are going to learn about importance of management. It is said that success or failure of any business unit depends on management. It has been noted that business unit, those who have adapted management and its principle, were able to work efficiently and making possible the optimum use of resources, which enhances the success of business. But if management has its drawback, in spite of having all resources, then business unit would fail. So from this we can understand the success and the failure depends on management. Now let us come to the first point, that is necessary in every field. Now we have earlier studied also, is management essential only in economic activities or business unit? No, it is also useful in other activities like sports, defense, politics, religious activities, education. So whether it is your business activity or any other activity, management is necessary in every field. Our next point is optimum use of resources. Now first let us understand what is meant by resources. Resources means all the factors of production, all the things you need for your production, your raw material, land, capital. So all that factors totally means resource. Now there are 6M in resources. 6M, I'll repeat that 6M. We'll study about that 6M. Man, market, money, method, machine, material. These are the 6M of resources. I'll repeat again. Man, market, money, method, machine, material. This is the mool mantra for management, you can say. So all these resources are being utilized optimally so that wastage is reduced, and that can lead to maximizing the profit in business units. So if you have to survive in business for a long time, you have to continuously increase your profits, you have to achieve your profits. So only optimum use of resources can make it possible. Let's come to the third point, that is accomplishment of objectives. Because of management, we are able to achieve the objectives or set targets of business unit easily, as management makes possible for business unit to work in systematic manner with the help of all the managerial activities like planning, organizing, controlling, directing. So management makes possible two things. First, to make your work in right direction and in systematic manner. So if you are working in right direction and systematic manner, nothing can hinder business unit for accomplishment of objectives. Now let us understand the fourth point, useful for the success of business. Obviously, success is possible as we have studied that management makes possible optimum utilization of resources, and management also helps in accomplishment of objectives. So when you are using your resources optimally and when you are accomplishing the goals of business, obviously business is having its success. So let's read the 2 points given in your textbook, that because of management two things are possible. First one, small scale industries can convert itself into large scale industries. How? You can convert a small scale into large scale. How? By using the resources optimally, achieving the targets on the regular basis, continuously one after another. So this way you can convert it into a large scale industry. Next point is efficient management can convert a loss making into profit making. Now what do you mean by efficient? Efficient means using less time, reduction in cost while the process of production. So this you have to consider, reducing cost and minimizing the time that can lead a loss making company into profit making company. Now let's understand the point, increase in job opportunities. If management is efficient, firm soon develops itself in the form of company. Yes, if business unit are achieving object continuously, so firm can turn to company, and once the firm is turned to company, you will require more employees, more staff, more workers. Thus, that will lead to increase in job opportunities. Whereas inefficient management can result into shutdown of business, or it is responsible for closure of business. How responsible for closure of business? If you're not using your resources optimally, and if you're not achieving your targets continuously or on the regular basis, that can lead to the loss of firm or closure of business, and hence it can create unemployment. Let's understand the point: increase in profit. Now, generally, as we have studied, that profit is the only barometer to check the efficiency of business. Now, we have studied in 2 points also, that business is accomplishing the objectives, business is having its success. So, when you are accomplishing the objectives and you are having the success, that means obviously your business is having its increasing its profits on the regular basis, and that is the only thing on which business can survive for a longer period in market. And for that, managers have to work efficiently so that objects are achieved and targets are achieved, so that business will have profit, and on the basis of profit only, business can survive in the market for longer period, and management makes that possible, that business should survive in market for longer period. So the business works only with the motive profit, and we have studied in 11th standard too that it is the barometer of any business unit. Now let's understand the point: social benefit. The word social is coming from society. No doubt motive of business is profit, but every business is part of society. Resources that are used in business unit are of society. Products that are made are sold in society. So when business unit earns profit from the society, it is their responsibility and moral duty also to think about the welfare of the society and the betterment of society. How the betterment can be given to the society? By giving them job opportunities. Giving them job opportunity is one kind of betterment of the society. And how you have to think about the welfare of the society? Welfare means giving them products at the reasonable rate, providing them goods at the reasonable rate to the society. So this will be the welfare of the society. Now, if your business is success, it means it can increase the wealth and welfare of entire society. So this is the social benefit. If any business is success, it will increase the wealth and welfare of the society also. This is social benefit. Let's understand the last point, that is national motive. So, national means nation and motive means objectives. So, it means what are the objectives of business unit towards nation. We have studied about the point optimum utilization of resources. So, whatever the resources are being used are of nation. So, it is the national motive of any business unit to use it in economical way and to use it for the development of an economy. So for any business unit, the national motive is to use the resources in economical way and to use it for the development of economy. So we have studied all the 8 points. I'll advise you to revise it thoroughly. Thank you.